You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this name once and for all correctly. In English, it's usually pronounced as Nate. Do you pronounce it any other way? If you have an accent on the E, it's pronounced Nate. But that would be rare. Do you pronounce it that way? By the way, if you want to learn more confusing pronunciations of names, stay tuned. I've got more videos. This one is generally the most common pronunciation, I believe, in English. Let me know otherwise in the comments. Nate. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.